How to remove someone on Snapchat group. So if you want to remove someone from your Snapchat group, then first let's open up Snapchat application. And once you've opened, you can simply go for chats, which will be on the bottom left. And once you open your chats, here you will have your groups, right? So you can simply go for groups option and you will have your groups. So you can simply choose a group from which you would like to remove a person. Tap on the group and here you will have your friends or your members of the group, right? Then you can simply go for the profile of the group, tap on profile, and here you will have your group members, right? Then you can simply tap and hold on to that person for 2 to 3 seconds and you will have this section pop out, right? So you can simply tap on remove from group and then tap on remove, and that person will be removed from your Snapchat group. So that's how you remove someone from your Snapchat group. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.